Assalamualaikum class. Hope you are doing well. Today we will start exercise of lesson 2, class 9th. We will do sentences. First word is sacrifice. Sacrifice to alter, to contribute, kurban kar dena. We should sacrifice our personal interests for our country. Commendable, admirable, काबिल तारीफ. पेट्रियाटिज़म इज़ अ कमेंडेबल क्वालिटी. हुब्बुल वतनी एक काबिल तारीफ खसूसियत है. प्रॉस्पेरिटी, वेल्थ, खुशहाली. इकनॉमिक प्रॉस्पेरिटी डिपेंड्स अपॉन ट्रेड. इन्वेजन, अटैक मीन्स हमला करना. We should ready to face foreign invasions. Next word is motherland. Motherland, country. Pakistan is our motherland. Responsible, zimmadar. Everyone is responsible for one's deeds. हर कोई अपने आमाल का जिम्मेदार है. Nationalism, कौमियत, कौम परस्ती. नेशनलिज्म मेक्स अस नैरो माइंडेड. कौम परस्ती हमारी जहनीत को महदूद कर देती है. वी विल डू नाउ काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. ओपन योर बुक्स एट पेज 19. There are different type of sentences as we have done in the previous classes. Now we will do the required types, that is assertive, interrogative, negative, exclamatory and imperative sentence. Exclamatory sentence is a kind of sentence which expresses our strong feelings, our sudden emotions, and they are shown with interjunctions that hurrah, alas, ah. It is sudden response. Assertive sentence, a sentence that makes a statement is known as an assertive sentence. ऐसे फिक्रे जिनमें कोई चीज़ बयान की जाती है, बताई जाती है, उनको assertive sentence कहा जाता है. और if they are positive sentences, then they are known as assertive, and if something is denied in them, then it knows as a negative sentence. For example, I like my country. It is a assertive sentence. Islamabad is a beautiful city. It is also a assertive sentence. They are not playing cricket in the playground. It is a negative sentence because it is denying any idea. Next, interrogative sentence is a type of sentence in which we ask question, and question mark is used at the end of such kind of sentences. For example, is it mine? Is it yours? Or when will you read? How do you do? In all these sentences, questions are asked. Next is exclamatory sentence. Imperative sentence is a sentence that expresses a command, request, which forbade us to do something. There's a suggestion in it. For example, help the poor please. Come soon. Please give me your books. Get out of the room. These are all kinds of imperative sentences. Now focus on your exercise. There are few sentences given. You have to identify their type. First sentence is, art is another subject in which I am particularly interested. This sentence is just a statement, so it will be a assertive sentence. Second, what a beautiful painting. It is started with an interrogative pronoun what, but it is not a questioning sentence because it has exclamatory mark at its end. So it is exclamatory sentence. Next, teach him to learn. Now, this sentence does not contain a subject, it is just giving us an order. Teach him to learn. That is a imperative sentence. Next, how would I know? Now, this is a clear question sentence because it contains a question mark at its end. So, it will be interrogative sentence. She did not make a false statement. Now, this sentence contains a negative aspect, so it will be known as a negative sentence. I hope that you have clearly understood the difference between these all types. Assertive sentence is a simple statement. Interrogative sentence is a questioning sentence. Imperative sentence is command, request or order. An exclamatory sentence is a sentence in which sudden strong feelings are expressed. And negative sentence is in which we deny or refuse something. I hope all these are clear to you. All the best.